Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing a super easy yet amazing recipe that will help you get glowing, radiant skin without breaking the bank. You're probably wondering what this magic recipe is, right? It's detox water. Now, before you scroll away thinking detox water is just flavored water, hear me out. Detox water is packed with nutrients that not only hydrate your skin, but also help flush out toxins from your body, which can make a huge difference when it comes to achieving that dewy glow. So grab your water bottles and let's dive into this natural skincare solution. Okay, before we get into the recipe, let's talk about why detox water is so powerful for glowing skin. We all know that hydration is the key to smooth, supple skin. But what makes detox water special is the added benefits of natural ingredients that help cleanse your body and improve your skin from the inside out. Think about it like this. When you hydrate with regular water, you're doing something great for your skin. But when you hydrate with detox water, you're nourishing your skin and giving it a natural, healthy glow by removing toxins that may be causing breakouts, dullness, or even puffiness. Let's talk about the key ingredients that make this detox water so powerful for glowing skin. First up, we have cucumber. Cucumber is made up of about 95% water, making it incredibly hydrating. It's also loaded with antioxidants that fight free radicals, which are responsible for premature aging. If you suffer from puffiness or inflammation, cucumber is your best friend. Next, we have lemon. You probably already know that lemon is packed with vitamin C, which is a powerhouse when it comes to brightening your skin. Vitamin C helps with collagen production, which is what keeps your skin firm and youthful. It also fights off those pesky dark spots and gives you that glowing complexion. Lemon is also a natural detoxifier for your liver, helping it flush out toxins faster, leaving your skin clearer and more radiant. Mint is the next ingredient I love to add. Mint helps with circulation, which is key to achieving that healthy, radiant glow. When your circulation is improved, more oxygen reaches your skin cells, giving your complexion a natural boost. Mint also has a refreshing and cooling effect, making your detox water super refreshing and perfect for those hot summer days. And last but definitely not least, we have ginger. Ginger is amazing for your skin because it's packed with anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce redness and irritation. It also promotes digestion, so if you're having trouble with bloating, ginger will help ease that too. Plus, it has antioxidants that help fight the signs of aging and keep your skin looking fresh and youthful. All right, now that we know how each ingredient helps your skin, let's make this magic potion. It's super easy to prepare. Start with about 4.5 cups of filtered water. You can use a large pitcher or a mason jar, anything you have on hand. Next, slice up about half of a cucumber into thin rounds. Add them to the water. Now, juice half of a lemon and pour it into the mix. You can even drop the lemon peel in for an extra boost of flavor if you like. And there you have it, your detox water is ready to go. It looks so refreshing, right? You'll want to drink at least 2-3 glasses a day to start feeling the effects, but remember, consistency is key. Drink this every day for a few days and you'll notice your skin looking brighter, more hydrated, and glowing from the inside out. One thing I love about detox water is that it's not just about skincare, it's about feeling good from the inside out. When your body is well hydrated and detoxified, your skin will naturally look better and you'll feel more energized. So there you have it, folks. A super simple, natural way to get glowing skin using detox water. Give this a try and let me know in the comments how your skin feels after a week of drinking it. I'd love to hear about your results. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips. Every week, I've got tons of skincare hacks and tips coming your way that you won't want to miss. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay glowing.